Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to exit Big Picture Mode on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a Big Picture Mode icon located right beside your username. Go ahead and click on this icon to enter Big Picture Mode. This mode is designed to give you a console-like experience on your PC, optimizing Steam for use with a controller and large screen displays. Now let's pretend you're done using Big Picture Mode and want to return to the standard Steam interface. The exit process is quite straightforward, so there's no need to worry about getting stuck in this view. Look toward the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Menu. Click on this menu button to access the main navigation options within Big Picture Mode. This menu serves as your control center for various settings and functions while you're in this mode. Once the menu opens, you'll see a panel appear on the left side of your screen with several options. From this left panel, locate and click on Power. This option controls how you exit or shut down Big Picture Mode, similar to how you'd power down a console. It's your gateway to returning to the normal Steam desktop interface. After clicking Power, you'll see a few options appear. Among these, you'll find Exit Big Picture Mode. Click on this option and Steam will immediately transition you back to the standard desktop view. The interface will shift from the controller-friendly layout back to the traditional Steam window you're familiar with, allowing you to browse your library and access all features with your mouse and keyboard as usual. And that's it. You've successfully exited Big Picture Mode and returned to Steam's regular interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.